Welcome to TJMP Phoenix Bharat. TJMP Phoenix Bharat has been started in this particular year. So hardly started from past 6 months. We make precision sheet metal components. We thought of having a budget friendly machines and also reliable Indian companies. We didn't have any option to go with Indian companies just because we didn't have much offers and much options to go with it. And we are also not very much concerned that there will be some reliable product or some laser machines available in India. And initially we took on with suppliers which was cost effective, and also the availability of the machine was one of the crises. Also, the boon is that once we decided to go for laser cutting machine with some other country machines, we found it very difficult just because the cost was the factor. Other thing is the availability was the major factor. So we went on to search for new companies. So we thought, why don't we try with some Indian companies, better with service and other things. And we met with few persons from Winarc that somehow we were not confident that machines could do well. But we felt that there was no other option to go. So we took one 3 kilowatt machine. Considering that it may have some good impact on our process for immediate effect. Then finally we decided that we'll go with this 3 kilowatt machine, which was open body and single bed machine. So we used it for a few months, maybe up to 3 to 4 months. The precision was good and the precision of cut, everything was fine, and the effectiveness in terms of power consumption or in terms of operator trainings on the service part especially. So once we started using these machines, we find it very easy to operate. Everything was fine. So we felt that we'll go for another machine. So once we went to that machine, it was again we opted for a higher end machine. So we tried out some other sources and other things. But somehow we felt that this machine was doing well with 3 kilowatt open body and single bed machine. So we took this 3 kilowatt machine, new machine, double pallet and closed body machine. And still both the machines are doing well. When it comes to service, we never felt that an Indian company or an Indian branded machineries, there would be some service support like this. So we are very happy with the service they have provided. And the machine precision, both the machines are doing well. I think maybe another one or two machines we may purchase in future. And we feel that this could be the best machine when it comes to Indian machines, particularly the service part. So this is the best machine what we have seen till now with the budget what we are spending on it.